New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2019 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. This is what is quite possibly the most spectacular C7 ZR1 currently for sale. This is a Sebring design package car with only 13 miles on the odometer. It still retains much of its original factory plastic wrapping, such as the bits on the rear wing, side rocker panels, and the mirrors. There are also several bits on the interior that are still covered in plastic. Again, 13 miles on the odometer here. This is a 3ZR trim car, along with the 7-speed manual transmission and ZTK track package, which makes this a very rare example. And with that combination of the ZTK track package, coupe body style, and 7-speed manual, this makes this car one of only 586 made in such a specification. And of course, it also features the Sebring orange design package, which provides orange brake calipers, the orange exterior color, as well as orange custom stitching on the interior, which we'll see shortly. This car also has the dual roof package, which includes the carbon fiber roof, which is currently on the car, as well as the transparent glass roof, which can be stowed in the trunk. As we make our way to the interior here, you'll notice the competition seats along with the Sebring orange design accents throughout the interior, such as on the seat backs, steering wheel, and on the center console. In the back of the car is several items still wrapped in plastic from the vehicle's delivery. Once again, 13 miles on this car. Original plastic wrapping still on the steering wheel and gear lever also. So shortly we'll wrap up the video with a startup clip, and then we'll take a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.